Hey guys, so today I have a PowerPoint presentation for you over microservicing in heavy civil and highway construction. Here's the outline. We'll be looking over the purpose and application, the fundamentals, mechanics, the equipment used, the cost, safety procedures, the applications of microsurfacing in Texas, the summary, and there's some references at the end if you'd like to look them up yourself. So what's the purpose of microsurfacing? The purpose is to preserve the surface, prevent deterioration, surface texture improvement, quick application, cost-effective maintenance, versatility, aesthetic enhancement, and preventative maintenance. So the materials used in microsurfacing are asphalt emulsion and finely crushed stone or sand. The mixing process includes asphalt emulsion and aggregates that are mixed to create a homogeneous mixture. So the surface preparation and microsurfacing. Before applying the microsurfacing, the road must be cleaned and repaired. When applying, the mixture is then applied with the use of a microsurfacing paver spread in a 3/8 inch to a half-inch layer over the road surface. After applying, you need to let the microsurfacing cure and set, and once applied, the material must rest to cure and set. During this time, you need to manage traffic, which really just means keep the traffic off of the road. This gives it time to rest and really set in and make it nice and strong. But it shouldn't take long because it has a rapid application. It's very quick. Microsurfacing is cured and sets very quickly, and it's cost effective. It's very cheap, cheaper than alternative surfacing methods. So the mixer design process, it includes 3 steps. 1. Material selection. The laboratory obtains background information regarding the existing pavement condition, traffic loading, climatic conditions, and the objective of the job. The mix design takes selected materials and proportions them and then mixes them, and then takes it to the lab. Once materials are mixed, they go to the lab and then they are tested for strength. So before you apply the microsurfacing, you have to repair the road. Roads must be cleaned, cracks and potholes must be filled. As you can see here, here's a pretty torn up road. Then you go over here, you repair that just like that, and then it's ready for microsurfacing. And both these roads are pretty clean. So, yeah. So what are the conditions that microsurfacing can be applied? So to ensure optimal use of microsurfacing, weather conditions must be acceptable. Minimum temperature must be at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It cannot be raining, and there cannot be any freezing within 24 hours. There's 2 types of equipment for microsurfacing: a self-propelled continuous loading machine and a truck-mounted machine used for local projects. The self-propelled continuous loading machines are for all major highway projects. And once the microsurfacing is applied, you need to spread the material to around 3/8 inch to a half inch. After that, a roller compactor follows the microsurfacing paver just to get it nice and compact and help it set and cure and get it nice and strong. And as you can see here, there's some guys spreading the microsurfacing. Here's the machine in the background here. There's a man operating it. And this is just to make sure it's nice and uniform and everything's even. Here's a picture of a self-propelled continuous loading machine. These machines are used in various industries such as construction, road building, and mining. They're used for their efficacy in handling, blending, and transporting materials. And right here we have a truck-mounted unit, and it's also modified. These are known for their mixing ability how mobile they are, and their capacity. So the cost of microservicing can vary depending on many factors such as location, availability of materials and contractors, and application rates. The average rate for microsurfacing is around $2.75 per square yard. Cost of machinery may vary as well. For a self-propelled continuous loading and mixing machine, a small to mid-size unit could be anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000, and anywhere from $150,000 and up for a mid to large size unit. A truck-mounted unit, depending on size, capacity, and features, may also cost between $150,000 and $500,000 and more. And these cost factors really depend on availability of materials, contractors, size of the project, application rates, maintenance of traffic, number of other bid items. And here are some different state unit costs of microsurfacing. You can see in North Carolina is $100 to $110. Pennsylvania $125 to $150. Virginia $100 to $110. Texas $90 to $95. Oklahoma $90 to $95. So they're a little bit cheaper in Texas and Oklahoma. And then it brings us to the safety, which is really the same for every single sector of construction. Every practice should be personal protective equipment should be used, traffic control, equipment safety, material handling, fire protection, chemical exposure, training and education, emergency response, environmental protection, quality control, communication. This really comes down to every sector of construction. Here's the applications of microsurfacing in Texas. It's very common in Texas due to the Texas population and how busy the roadways are. Sorry, just to go back on this. It's very common because with how busy the roadways are in Texas, it's a lot faster and a lot cheaper to repair a roadway and extend its life than to build a whole new roadway, and it's just a great alternative. So in summary, microsurfacing is used for road preservation and rehabilitation using a mixture consisting of asphalt emulsion, fine aggregates, water, and additives. The use of machinery in this sector of construction, like other sectors, is vital. The machines used speed up construction and spread the mixture uniformly before a roller compactor following behind rolls the mixture to strengthen and flatten the microsurfacing to ensure optimal application. Microsurfacing has many benefits, including improved skid resistance, sealing of cracks, surface renewal, and cost efficacy, all while extending the life of the road. The only drawback is that this procedure is not suitable for roads with extensive structural damage or deep potholes. Roads with minor distress are ideal. In conclusion, microsurfacing is a cheap, quick, and effective practice to repair a road or highway. And here are some questions in case you want to test your knowledge and go back through the slides and see what you learned. Thank you very much.